guys? Welcome to Duck Diecast. And in today's video, I will be reviewing this Spark Porsche 911 GT3 R 24 Nürburgring 2014 Team Falken. So this one isn't the Nürburgring winner. I like to collect the winners, but this one just has a great livery. And I just want to apologize really quick here for my voice. It's a little bit hoarse. The weather's getting cold here, and yeah, so my voice seems to have gotten a little bit of a congestion there. So let's get this open. Actually, you know what? The box is as nice as the model itself. How about I quickly show you? So sides. This is gonna be the front part, and then obviously there's gonna be the back part. I like it when they do boxes like these. They just show all the sides of the model. So, alright, got too excited there. Let's see if I can open this up. Might have to do the double open here. And just push it on one end. Perfect. This has no screws, actually. Well, I guess the screws would be in the base plate itself. So here's the model. Very nice. Says right here, 4th place of 24 Nürburgring from 2014. And this is pretty special because this one is 26 out of 200 pieces made. So it's a pretty rare model. I'm very grateful to get this model. Here are the drivers. Alright, I'm gonna take this off this guy and then put it on my rotary display. Alright, now that it's off, I just didn't want to remove it from the base itself, but if I did, just want to quickly show you guys here. There are 3 screws that are attached underneath. I'm pretty sure we're not going to see much underneath there anyways, so I'm not going to bother with that. And if you have one of these Spark models, I think it looks better, in my opinion, with this base plate. It just has this what do you call that? It has its nice feature of highlighting the car itself and whatnot, so I don't know, just personal preference, I guess. And then if we go into detail, like I said, I do love that livery. It's very iconic. The decals are very well done. This is an older model, and I don't even think you can get these anymore. You can get the newer versions of this, but yeah, this one's pretty hard to find one. So again, this is a resin model. There are no opening parts here, and yeah, like honestly, I'm not gonna complain. It's still a great model from Spark, and you do get to pay a little bit, but at the same time, it's more of like the content that you're trying to pay for. Because if you're just looking for just a regular GT car, like you can get some from Auto Art or Mini Champs or something like that, that possibly opens. But with the livery itself, I don't think that they make that specific livery or that certain content that you're looking for. So if you're looking for something specific, Spark does usually fill that gap up, if you know what I mean. So we do have some vents right here. They are through and through vents. You got some pieces that are separate, like the side mirrors. The windshield wiper in the middle here is a separate piece. It's also, it kind of looks metallic, at some points. Obviously the antennas are separate pieces. Same with the canards in the front here, and have this huge lip right here, or splitter. The thing that I like about this car is, since this is a 24-hour Nürburgring winner, Nürburgring car, sorry, not winner, they do have these fog lights here. So in a Nürburgring, usually things don't really, like the weather is very temperamental. So these fog lights here are actually very helpful for that. So that's a nice feature here. We do have a separate metal piece for the tow hook. And if you see here, the vents here are through and through vents. You can clearly see that they are through and through. And there's more air ducts right here, and right on top of the bumper right here. And we have more vents here, and same as the other panel, these vents are through and through as well. So I do love this car, mainly because of the livery. I do like the drivers as well, and the number 44 is the usual car that they enter in Falken, and same time you do get same this side as the other side, and then going to the back we get these massive spoiler here, and then we also have these massive vents at the back here, and then we have another tow hook here, and we have exhaust, and then more vents at the back here. Wheel detail, there is pretty good amount of detail. You can see the caliper, you can see the rotor detail, and as you can see, the center lock is blue on this side, whilst on the other side is red. And then the diameter of the wheel is different from the back. It's going to be bigger and lower offset at the back compared to the rear. Like, you can definitely see the difference of the gap there. Like, there's a huge lip at the back at the gap, so that's very evident, and it's a nice Falken decal right there on the tire side wall. But yeah, it's got some really good detail, and for a static model, it's one of the best ones, I'd say. And for the red, it's sort of like an anodized color. Now for interior detail, again, this is not an opening model, so I'm going to try to show you guys as much as I can. So at the back here, you can see some wiring going on. You can see the red harnesses wrapping around that roll cage. Let's see. Pardon the dust. There is a little bit of a dustiness here. We do see a fire suppression system. I don't know what that is. Looks like a first aid kit or something. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong there. We see some ducts there in the middle. That's crazy. Probably to cool the driver off. See some buttons and switches in the middle there as well. More wiring. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty much a bare shell since it's a race car, obviously. And then we look on this other side. There is some driver protection going on, so it's going to be hard to see, unfortunately. Yeah, it's a bit hard to see, but there is a lot of detail going on in the center there. Let's see if I can take the harness and everything. Looks like it's all detailed in there. Unfortunately, I can't really see the gauge cluster as much, but there should be something there. I can see a little bit going on back there. But yeah, guys, this is the Spark model. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Please like, comment, and subscribe.